Isang panawagang ihinto ang digital piracy sa Pilipinas. Ang digital piracy ay ang ilegal na paggamit, pangungopya, pamamahagi o pagbenta ng copyrighted digital material tulad ng apps, music o videos. Ito ay isang pagnanakaw. Ninanakaw nito ang malikaing talino ng Pilipino sa digital art forms. Ninanakaw nito ang pagsulong ng makabagong teknolohiya sa sarili nating bayan. Ninanakaw nito ang oportunidad na makalika ng trabaho sa Pilipinas. Kung ikaw ay isang individual, empleyado o business owner na akala ay walang masamang maidudulot ang digital piracy, mag-isip muli. Tumulong pigilan ang digital piracy. I-report ang inyong nalalaman sa Business Software Alliance o makipag-ugnayan sa Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines.
Good day everyone. Thank you for watching my advocacy video to stop digital piracy in the Philippines. Creating innovative software takes a lot of endurance, patience, and sacrifice. I should know. I'm a software engineer myself. That is why I felt strongly about protecting intellectual property rights. For the script, my research started with an article from Philstar on software piracy. It led me to AviaCap's commissioned annual piracy consumer survey conducted by YouGov. By the way, AviaCap stands for Asia Video Industry Coalition Against Piracy. It's disheartening to learn the continued increase of digital piracy in the Philippines. But at the same time, it was good to hear about initiatives to curb the trend. I also took inspiration from our master's course textbook, Ethics in Information Technology. In particular, the chapter on ethics for IT professionals and IT users. For the video, I used CapCut to start up the project. Mind you, I started with the Filipino script and it did well for the first draft with AI-generated images, subtitles, and voiceover. However, I did not like some of the images, so I used PowerPoint Copilot to generate additional images. The AI voiceover sounded emotionless, so I recorded the audio myself. The splitting of the subtitles was nice, that I only had to replace the original Filipino text with English. So that I may have a call to action at the end of my video, I searched for where to report digital piracy in the Philippines, which led me to Business Software Alliance and Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. Hopefully with this video, I am able to convince people that software piracy hurts and it's time to change. Once again, thank you everyone. Goodbye.